It's Christmas season, and what's better than to bake a very beautiful cake? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful marble cake, and you don't need an oven, a mixer, just a secret tool for you to be able to get this beautiful cake. So let's start. So first, you get your mixing bowl and you add sugar to the bowl. Then you are going to crack your eggs. For this recipe, I'm making size 7 cake, so I'm making use of 4 eggs. So you crack your eggs into the bowl. I'm here to say thank you to all my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Thank you for sticking with me through this journey of YouTube. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Please like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you. So we're going to add melted butter. If you don't have butter, you can make use of oil. And then you are going to pour everything into a blender to blend. But if you don't want to make use of a blender, you can use a whisk to whisk it in the mixing bowl. So I blended till I got this pale yellow, and then you set aside. So now you are going to prep for your dry ingredients. So I'm adding flour into a sieve. Please, number 1 rule of baking, always sieve your dry ingredients, because there are always like some particles or debris that in the flour, so that you'll not just eat rubbish. You can see what's left in the sieve, so that's why it's important to sieve your dry ingredients. So we're going to add baking powder, also sieve that, and then we add our baking soda because we want our cake to rise well. We sieve that also. Mix everything together to incorporate with one another. So let's start making our cake. In a mixing bowl, we're going to add our wet ingredients together. This is the pale yellow I'm talking about, and that's the consistency you want it to give you. So we're going to add our dry ingredients. Please add it bit by bit so that it will not be overwhelming to mix, and it will even prevent over mixing of the cake. And do not fret about the lumps, it's going to disappear with time. So we're going to add the remaining dry ingredients. Also mix it gently. The effort you put in your batter is what you will get at the end of it all. So make sure you treat your batter like your baby. Handle with care. So this is the consistency you want your cake batter to give you. It should always fall off your spatula. So I'm going to separate this batter into 2 bowls because we want to make our chocolate cake. So I'm going to add cocoa powder into this bowl. Use my spatula to mix it together so you don't see any cocoa powder. And there you have it, your chocolate cake batter. So in a greased pan, we're going to add our chocolate cake batter, vanilla batter, chocolate cake batter, vanilla batter. So that's how you just put each of it together, and then you get that swirl of marble cake. And please, if you've gotten to this part of the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for the support as always. And also the measurements will be in the description box. So now it's time to preheat your pot. Always preheat your oven or your pot before baking. It makes the baking easier. So I'm doing this so that the air bubbles are going to leave my cake. So this is my preheated pot. I'm going to add my batter and then bake for 30 minutes on low heat. Then you test if it's ready. If it comes out clean, that means it's ready and our cake is ready. So this is our cake after 30 minutes on low heat, please, on low heat, so that your cake won't burn. So you can see the stripe of the chocolate with the vanilla mixed together, and trust me, actually trust me, this cake was so delicious. Instead of it to just make just vanilla or just chocolate, just mix the both together. Try out this recipe today and you come back to testify that yes, this is the most delicious cake you've ever eaten in your life. Look at how soft and lush this cake looks like. And if you've gotten to this part of the video, please like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you. And I hope your cake, when you try it out, it comes out better than this and also softer than this. You can also check my channel for other videos, other cake recipe videos. I post a lot. Thank you for watching. Bye.